Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate my project titled Event Driven Change Data Capture for a Relational Database. The main goal of this project is to capture changes happening in a relational database and send those changes as real-time events to a streaming systems like Kafka. Instead of manually checking the database for updates and delete operations and process them in real time. This architecture is very useful in modern data pipeline, real-time analytics system, and microservice architecture. Now, I will walk you through the project structure and explain each important file step by step. First, let me open the main project file called event drive event driven change data capture for a relational database. Inside this project, we have several important files and folders such as Docker Composer, .yml, src folder, Kafka folder, test, env example, readme. Each file plays an important role in building the CDC pipeline. Now, let's open them one by one. The first one is readme.md file. This file contains the documentation of the project. It explains the purpose of the project, system architecture, required dependencies, instructions to run pipeline. This helps developer understand how to set up and run the system easily. Um, the next file is docker compose.yml file. This file is used to create and run the required services using Docker. In this project, it helps start services like Kafka, Zookeeper, database, other supporting services. Using Docker Compose makes it easy to run the entire system with a single command. Now, I will open the env example file. This file contains the environment variables templates such as database connections, details, Kafka service address, topic configurations. Users can copy this file to .env and modify it according to their system configuration. Now I will open the source folder which contains the main logic of the project. Inside the folder we have main.py, CDC processor, Kafka producer, int.py. Let's look at them one by one. The main.py file. The main.py file acts as the entry point of the application. This file connects all the components together and starts the CDC pipeline. It initializes the processor and producer modules and runs the system. Next is CDC processor file. This file is responsible for processing database change events. Whenever a change occurs in the database, this module reads the change data and converts it into a structure event form. These events are then sent to Kafka for streaming. Now I will open this is the code in the CDC processor. Next, I will open the Kafka producer. This module is responsible for sending messages to Kafka topics. After the CDC processor captures a change, this producer sends that event to Kafka. Two other systems can consume the data in real time. Okay. Now we can. Next, I will open the Kafka consumer folder. Inside the folder, we have consumer.py. This script acts as a Kafka consumer, which reads the event from the Kafka topic. This helps demonstrate that the CDC pipeline is successfully sending events. Finally, we have the test folder. This folder contains units such as test CDC processor, test CDC processor, test Kafka producer. These tests ensure the components work correctly and help maintain code readability. So, in summary, this project demonstrates how to build an event-driven changes data capture pipeline using a relational database on Kafka. The system captures database changes processor, then and streams them in real time to other systems. This approach is widely used in modern data engineering and real time analytics platforms. Thank you.